Hi, in this video we're gonna talk about nested element and empty element. We're gonna use the code from the previous video, so let's start. So, a nested element is an element that is inside another element. So for example, we have here the body element, and inside we have some heading and paragraph. So each one element is a nested element. We're gonna add some other nested elements, for example h5, a fifth heading, and another one, h6, another heading. The second element is the empty element. So an empty element is an element that has no tag, no end tag actually. So we're gonna use an empty element with the tag br with no end tag, and br stands for break line. So we can use this empty element inside a paragraph, for example. So we're gonna type br and write something, blah blah blah, and we're gonna test this code in the browser. So here he is. So we have a fifth heading, another heading. So all of this heading and paragraph are nested elements inside the body elements. And for the break, actually the empty element is inside the paragraph. So we have paragraph, a break line, then blah blah blah. So this is it for nested elements and empty elements. Hope you enjoy it, and see you soon in the next videos.